you girls and God, girl and boy, take it away.
Thank you so much, Madam Kaysaya. Once again, guys, Tofu and Honey Glaze, magbibigay sa inyo ng casting for our Day 3 Game 1. This is going to be Next Play Solid versus Archangel. Labanan na to. Let's go down into our game, mga kaibigan. On the blue side, we have H2O on this Brody. Exort ang gagamit dito ng Farsa. James naman on this Tams, mga kaibigan. Ready J para kay Khaled and Yawi ang gagamit dito ng Baksha.
We have Archangel taking in the red side. Yami will be using the Jawhead. We have Fall for the Esmeralda. Saksha naman ang gagamit itong Ling. We have Yasuo for Chu. And also we have her Escalera na gagamit nga ng isang Lunox.
Lunox indeed. But as you can see, Honey Glaze, Yomi on this Jawhead, siya ang ating tank for this match. The core tank dito, no? And he is trying to delay Yawi and H2O on getting this purple buff, or orange buff rather.
Oo. Dahil nga, isa sa mga crucial parts yan, kapag napigilan nila yung pagdo-dominate nga ng jungle side dito ni H2O, that is going to be a good an advantage for them. Lalo na ang hirap talagang pigilan ng isang Brody pag umabot niya ng mid to late game. But as we can see here, 1 minute mark into the game, we have here James. Medyo nag-aalanganin na nga. Muntika na siya doon with 3 of the members. Escalera nagtatagulo sa bush and nakaramdam kaagad dito si James na makatakas kaagad from the domination, from the ambush of Archangel.
Archangel is now battling against Next Play Solid. Sinasabayan nila sa rotation, even Yomi. But we have a first blood coming in from the team AA, mga kaibigan. Renny J ang tutumba dito for the side of Next Play Solid. And on the bot lane, we see H2O. Ginugo niya dito si Yasuo natin, mga kaibigan, pero still, makakamamba out to. 2 minutes mark, Honey Glaze, 1-0 our score. What are your thoughts?
I'm liking already the aggression from Archangel. Lalo na't alam nila na mas maganda yung magiging advantage nila sa early minutes of the game. They are pushing Next Play Solid throughout this early game. Lalo na't ganito yung gusto nilang mangyari. Wag yung bibigyan ng space or wag yung bibigyan ng objective talaga ang isang Brody. We have your low on health, an ejector coming in from Yami, and that is going to be another kill for Next Play Solid.
Next Play Solid indeed. Well, if H2O continues yung mga ganitong setup niya, no, talagang merong mataas na possibility na maka-comeback siya or mag-snowball siya dito. Pero this link of Saksha, mga kaibigan, is napaka-aggressive din naman, no? Sila ang nagko-control ng tempo ng ating game ngayon as 3-minute rises. Ladies and gentlemen, we have still 0-4, Next Play Solid, scoreless sila dito, and grabe yung team effort na pinapakita ng Archangel. Talagang itinatanggalan nila ng farms and potential kill dito ang Next Play Solid.
Pero I also have to commend Yawi when we have H2O na safe pa rin siya throughout the minutes of the game. Lalo na ganito yung nagiging aggression. We have skirmish, commotions, outgoing throughout the game, throughout the Land of Dawn. Archangel, hindi silang nagpapatawad talaga. We have here Yasuo going up against Tamos, pero disengage sila muna. Medyo nag-alangan na nga dito si Yasuo to go up against any Tamos.
Yup, and Yawi, gaya nga nasabi mo kanina, incredible performance from him into this early matchup, no? Kasi binibigyan niya ng information ang kanyang teams dito, which is yung Next Play Solid nga. And Archangel, hindi na nila magawa yung kanina nilang ginagawa sa mga early minutes of the match na ginagank nila dito yung top, ginagank yung bot. Kasi nga, Yawi giving enough information on his teammates para hindi sila magank agad. Pero meron lang din namang bakbakan agad doon sa merong turtle pit natin, mga kaibigan. Next Play Solid actually getting a 2 kill doon, Honey Glaze, no? And with that clash, nakahabol agad ang Next Play Solid sa ating economy.
Exactly, Tofu. That was a beautiful we have here an explosion of kills coming in from Exort. Ang ganda ng Feathered Airstrike niya para lang ma-disadvantage siya lagi dito ang Archangel. Knowing na kailangan talaga nilang lumapit para lang makapagbigay ng damage output to the members of Next Play Solid. But then again, there goes the Parsa with the Feathered Airstrike, and it's already enough to take down 2 heroes, 2 members from Archangel. Pero will it be enough para sa ating
Ooh.
4-minute mark, lalo na po na RNJ with that rushing guard. We also have here Exort, nandito naman ang unstoppable force ni Yami, kaso nga lang hindi na nga siya makakatakas pa. We have such a domination of the clash here coming in from Renjay, and I think another commotion is yet to unfold. Nandito na pumasok with the Falling Star Moon at hindi tuloy nagtagumpay dito. Next play solid to take down the first tier turret into the middle lane of Archangel Esports.
Now, next play solid, they are gaining the advantage that they have wanted. Honey Glaze, no? Kung nakikita natin ngayon, yung gold lead na meron ng next play solid, they have at least 1,000 gold dito, no? Napakaganda yon for H2O. Even though his KDA is on 002, nananahimik naman siya sa ating jungle lanes, sa ating mga safe lane dito, mga kaibigan. But with that being said, Renjay on the top lane has been slain dito ni pare nating ni Paul by this Esmeralda, mga kaibigan. Even though na next play solid nakakahabol sila, may sagot agad yung Archangel, which is a big kill because Renjay sa may top lane namatay, nakakuha pa ng tier 3 turrets, Honeyglay.
Yep, an open opportunity for Archangel na kumuha nga ng objective dito. Ano ba ang mas maganda, Torre or Hero? Pero speaking of, we have here another commotion going into the reverse side. Dahil nga namumuuna yung tension nila, we have the rising objective here. The turtle is up. Yawi, ang ganda ng pagzazone niya dito together with Exor. Dahil feathered airstrike lang din talaga is enough para lang hindi lumapit members from Archangel. But still, Yami going in for a kill. Ejector is there, pero Yami low on health. Yawi, munti ka na ang mabangga, pero yun nga, nabangga niya na ang tuluyan dito si Yami sa jungle side ng Archangel.
Wow, Yami versus Yawi.
Yes.
Diba? Napaka-creative ng ating mga players, no, when it comes to IGN in-game names. But let's see muna sa main top lane. We have a commotion there. Renjay overextend. Mamamatay siya doon, but actually bluff lang ata yun, no, para makakuha ng tier 2 turret dito ang team next play solid. So they have now the advantage of 3 turrets dito against Archangel, plus nakakakuha pa ng buff or nakukuhanan pa ng buff dito si pare nating Saksha.
Ang ganda dito for next play solid, although nahihirapan sila sa early minutes of the game, they still have their composure to go up against Archangel, knowing na may back end silang damage output. They still have H2O, na katulad nga ng sinabi mo kanina, safe na safe pa rin yung kanyang standing 003. Yes, wala siyang nagagawa sa mga clash natin. But then again, ano nga ba yung may ipon dito ni H2O kapag hindi siya pinapansin ng Archangel? Speaking of Archangel, we have another commotion ambush coming in from H2O. We have here Saksha, nagbigay na nga ng magandang ng ultimate coming in from Ling. But then again, disengage na lang ang sagot nila dito dahil the next play solid was able to take down a second tier turret sa top lane ng Archangel.
Archangel, talagang lumiliit na yung mapa nila as next play solid trying to take down this inhibitor turret dito, pero while defending, nakuhanan sila ng core tank, which is si Yomi Johead. Ladies and gentlemen, 8 minutes mark into our game. We have a 9-6 score, and I think next play solid is actually getting that tower down. Fall ba? Maabutan dito ni Yawi. Here it goes. Next play solid. Yup, actually, mapatay talaga nila si Esmeralda doon, and makakuha pa sila ng Torre dito, Honeyglay.
Yep, another turret down, pero another hero slay naman para sa side ng Archangel. But still, onto the front line, si Yasuo kailangan nang tumakas dahil nga hindi na siya makakapagbigay pa ng damage output dito to next play solid dahil nga sobrang ganda ng composition nila, pagpapasok nila, nung timing, pagkuha ng turrets, and that was enough to make Archangel make it hard for Archangel na makakuha nga ng advantage doon sa top lane nila. Pero on the other hand, we have here Renjay going up against Saksha. Saksha, hindi na nga makakatakas pa. Mukhang nasa full pa nga siya ng feathered airstrike coming from Parsa.
Parsa indeed. And a free Lord as well. Honeyglay dito, no, next play solid. Talagang ginamit nila yung advantage na nakita nila or yung winning condition na maliit kanina. Now, They're
Oo.
winning the game. And grabe, next play solid. Talagang, alam mo yon, inahanapan nila ng butas. Yung Archangel kanina pa.
Oo.
Even na yung smallest detail na pwede nilang kunin against Archangel, nakuha nila, that's why they are now winning. Diba? Pero ito na yung Lord natin, ladies and gentlemen, nasa may mid lane na, and I think definitely matutunaw agad to ng mga taga Archangel, Honey Glaze.
Exactly. We have the first level Lord marching through the gates of Archangel. Nandito na ng Feathered Airstrike. Nagpapaulan, nagpapasabog. We have also the Tempest of Blades. Kaso nga lang, unti-unti na nababasag ang tore nila. And that is going to be a win for next place solid against Archangel.
Archangel, doon, mga kaibigan,